Welcome to Fix Your Dermis, where I fix tattoos and improve them every goddamn time. I'm King Yodeler, but you can refer to me as Jodels. And today, we have a baby portrait. It's so cute, it makes you just want to shake it. Drop it into a river. That's how good this portrait is. Let's see if we can salvage this abortion and breathe some life into it. I do love a good adoption. Looking at the weird shapes of the eyes and the mouth, I'm thinking of turning this baby into either a beholder from D&D or either Yoda. Oh, Bella. This is my blind kitty. She can't see worth a damn and she's super inbred, just like this baby portrait. First, I'm gonna make some guidelines. So I'll have to reshape the eyes for Yoda. He's full of wrinkles, so it shouldn't be a huge problem. I drew the wrong layer. Backspace that. Redraw. And these lines are uneven as hell, or at least the eyes are. You know, I would say I could make this into Baby Yoda, but Baby Yoda is way smoother in contrast. And Old Man Yoda is full of wrinkles. Man Yoda looks more like a green fried chicken, so I'm gonna need all those small details and wrinkles to hide this all these mistakes.
I live in a home, I do. Shit my pants a lot. Gaga goo goo.
Thank God Yoda has such a large forehead. I can use those giant head wrinkles to mask some of this hair. If anything, I could probably use a black fade around Yoda. Create a void to take out that little hairdo that baby has up there. His lip is also the wrong size for Yoda. It's like a weird turtle lips. I mean, I could look up images of like Yoda laughing, but Baby Yoda laughing. Here's Baby Yoda. Look how smooth and cute it is, like a messed up Dr. Seuss character. But I gotta use Old Man Yoda because this baby face isn't aligned, like, at all. I mean, I could try like lining some of these wrinkles up, I guess, and bringing it down. I'm just gonna look up like references for the Seagulls video. And I guess I'm just gonna football-headed Muppet mouth. That's what I'm gonna be going for. And you know, Yoda has sort of like an almond-shaped head, so I guess I might have to bring that chin up, kind of reshape the whole thing. If anything, I can give him dark clothes and black out that bottom chin, or give him a double chin, or I don't know. Look up references for the elderly. He was based off a real person. So, anyway, when doing any portrait, the eyes, nose, and mouth are the most important. That's what the face is drawn to. That's why this baby is partially so hideous. You got the wonky eye that's crooked, you got the broken nose, and you have like the weird heart attack grin on this child's face. So, I'm gonna try to line these up as much as possible. With lots of black.
Look how handsome I am.
Ugh, Yoda, you look like a big pile of doo-doo. Maybe I should just turn this baby into a raisin instead. It'd be much easier. I colored the wrong layer again. Thank God for Control Z. I need that for my real life. Well, with this messed up lip, thank God there's wrinkles. Baby is super dark, so I have to keep in mind how I can mask all of this. I'm gonna start blocking in the tones and sculpt his face. I'm just gonna get like a dark tone, kinda do a little bit of structure drawing. And if you understand wrinkles and the planes of the face, this makes this much easier. Damn, this computer lagging. I mean, I love you, computer, please stop. So, here's the before and after. Here's before and after. I turned a hideous baby into a hideous, wonderful Yoda. Very realistic. And honestly, if I'm being honest here, if I was going to fully render this, I would add like little white hairs or something. A couple of sheen marks in the eyes, nose. I would have to do like a full like study. But this video, I don't want it to drag on forever, so I'm gonna start cutting it short right here. This baby so ugly, I mean beautiful, it makes me want to cry. Thanks for watching. If you have a wonderful tattoo you would like improved, please email them over to kingyodeler@gmail.com. Or you can always hit me up on Instagram, which is also King Yodeler Tattoos. If you want to see more of these train wrecks, wonderful improvements, please smash that like button and also subscribe. Thank you very much. I'm King Yodeler. Bye.